Welcome everyone. We are live. Monday live trading. We got two stocks on our watch list, HLBZ and GNS. HLBZ doing really alright. Last Friday 65%, now 46%. And GNS getting near the breakout zone. Last Friday 55% and now 77%. What's gonna be? Which one will pump higher for today? We watching closely. Welcome everyone. So let's verify if everything good. If you can hear me, just say you can hear me all right, so we can kick our video without any problem. And as everybody coming in, we just talked today around our watch list for today. We just have two stocks on our main watch list. Two stocks been runner last week, HLBZ and GNS. If you remember, last time we hunted HLBZ. It was around 19 cents last Friday. It was a great hunt, Luis. Yes, I know. This box was filled. We did the watch short analysis after the live streaming that we did on Friday 3 days ago, and we said the 19 cents should be a reversal area above our MA after we broke this flag from below. You see. So this is why we say always let the price come to you, never run after the price. Because if you bought in the middle, your average will be not good. Even though right now we are above this flag, which is 30 cents. We already did our video for HLBZ for the game plan for today. So as we said, we have a great support at the moment. We watch what's gonna happen when the market open. Great. This is the really important thing, that the sound working perfectly. Welcome, Luis. Great, Luis in the house. Luis said HLBZ to the moon tonight. Oh man. Yeah, it will be a really great beginning of this week. Hi, Shawana. Ahmed asked, I can hear you perfect. Everybody can hear me great. EQT, everybody watching HLBZ with me. Great. Let's go, Jesus. Yes, let's go, Luis. Happy to see you here. Okay, guys. So the game plan, as we said, HLBZ is pumping pre-market. Last Friday we did 65% up. Look at the volume. Look what's going on. I think there's a manipulation and there's naked shorting, you know, because almost over the $500 million. This is crazy. We might see 1 billion for HLBZ. This would be like the first stock for this year actually have this kind of volume. Then we got the GNS, the second most gainer volume for today or last Friday. 3 or 5, almost $250 million. Yeah, 230 million worth of volume. So both those stocks are the most gainer in volume wise. We see here we have GNS, we have Tesla, we got Apple, of course, with 80 million worth of volume. We got COSM pumped, now dumped, I think, in the pre-market. Let me just check the pre-market here. What's going on? Let me just check. We have HLBZ is the first. We have YZS the second, 37%. APRN did now pre-market 14%. We got, let me just check APRN because this is one of the meme stock that been pumping last 2 years. So for APRN is pumping in the pre-market. Let me just check. 96. No, now is down. It was up, now is down. So support is 80, breakout around the $1.40. So it's not should have been actually on our list for today. Let's check WISA. Okay, we have 10 minutes left, so we have to check if we have another stock pumping before the market open. WISA, we have alert now. We have a breakout from this channel, the bearish channel. Getting near the breakout zone for today, the 1590. Oh man, this would be really great to see. Let me just check. Yeah, this area would be great to break. We bought back pretty good last week, got rejected, went down, tested this AMA, broke again. So looking good. WISA looking good. Let me just put it on our list for potential trade later on in the day, maybe in a power hour. We never know. Already put alert around the 16 cents and the 11.50. So support for potential sell-off and short opportunity, and squeeze and bullish momentum over the 16. Always we have to trap from below and from above. So the price can't go anywhere. That's why we say we are hunting here. We make trap for the price. Then we just forget about the stock. If the price hit the trap, we go to collect the bounty, you know. So it's plain and simple. We never actually run and use our energy, and you know, we use our energy wisely, you know. So I already put my alert for WISA. I forget about it. HLBZ first. The other one, CLOQ, we got the volume is pretty light, pretty light, 10K, and it's just 4 cents, so it's not good. Even the float is really low. LHDX, 32 cent. Okay, maybe volume is 4 million. Okay, this is maybe. Let me just check it. I don't like the chart. I don't like that chart. We have a huge rejection last time. 40 cents in the pre-market. Yeah, 9% down. I will just forget about it right for now. Okay, so we have the same list. HLBZ first, of course, and GNS. Those two stocks on our list for today. APCX is still have a struggle. Last week we did 35% for this stock, so this one I'm watching for swing trade. It looked really good. We have a huge volume, unusual volume for last Friday. We've been barcoding. Then someone bought a huge whale bought here. Huge whale bought on Friday. So we're gonna have a continuation for this price action. INBS, oh man, INBS hitting the second profit taken. As we said in our watch list for today, we covered this stock before the market opened. Let me just check the watch list video. We did watch list, yeah, HLBZ, GNS, ABCX, INBS. We talked about this and the price was testing the first profit taken here, the 70, and we said before the market opened we might see a test for the $1, and now we tested the $1. CRPT Elite, we hitting a level that we talked about it today in pre-market. Oh man, is pumping. CRPT is officially pumping, breaking the 20 cent breakout zone, holding above the 17, and now breaking this level. There's a huge pump, now 15%. Oh man, this one is pumping. 5 minutes. Let me just go in smaller picture. Yeah, it's pumping officially. Oh man, this one is about to pump toward let me just check the 46. Another 100% is doable. Is doable for this one. It already did a huge bump. Yeah, 200% in span of few days. This altcoin, CRPT. Oh man. Boxed. Yeah, boxed. Okay. This one is still bumping. It's really looking interesting to me. Let me just put this here for potential going down and doing another one around the 27, which is the squeeze area for this altcoin. This has always happened. There's someone buying altcoin or crypto before the market open. There's some whale buying some altcoin before the market open. This has always happened. What's going on? We have accumulation still, HLBZ. We have boxed, already have a technical level for it. A box is pre-market 27% up around the 60 cent. Still not go for me. It's not good. It's not looking good. It's not looking good for at the moment. Yeah, it's not looking good. I already put my alert here for potential breakout. At the moment, no. We got a level to test here around the 58. We need to have a bounce around this AMA and then break around the 73. Then going higher. This is a good reaction. We need to hold this. We need to hold this AMA. If we didn't, this means a sell-off. Boom. So let's us go to HLBZ. We have 4 minutes, guys. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left for HLBZ. So the disclaimer: everybody knows that day trading risky. Just do your due diligence and have your risk calculated. Okay. Always, if you want to risk with money you're willing to lose, and never follow me blindly. This is really important to know before we start our video. Okay, we did chart analysis last time for the SPY, BBY, MULN, BBIG for the breakout zone and the rejection around the 87. AMC, of course, for this breakout was really great hunt. BBIG, I think we're gonna do updated chart analysis for HLBZ, of course, if we broke this level. BBY, we have to do chart analysis as well, so stay tuned for that. Let me just go back and put BBBY to check it. We just have 2 minutes left. Let us check. 2 minutes left before the market open. 2 minutes left. So GNS, we don't have any position. We got just average down. We just bought the HLBZ. The average price is near the 20. So what's gonna be? Ape, we got some question about Ape. Let me just check Ape very quick. We just have 2 minutes left, guys. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left to kick our trading session for today, for Monday. Okay. 1% up. Already put my alert around the $1.83. So Ape will have a squeeze here. So I'm watching. HLBZ and GNS. Let's see. The first stock on our list is HLBZ. And GNS will trade it if we broke the $3.88. Okay, let's go. 1 minute left. Let's go in the smaller picture and see. $1 minute left. Let's go, guys. Yeah, there's something about to happen right now on this flag. Let's see if we're gonna break it from below or above. Market open right now 29.46. we need to hold the 27. We have a sell-off now. We have a break for this flag from below. Let's see if we're gonna hold this support and we're gonna have this reaction. This is normal. A lot of people taking profit, 39%. GNS is going down as well. HLBZ have a bit of sell-off. If we held the 27 is good. If we held the 27 is good. Even though I would prefer if we broke this flag from above, you know. So this is a weakness. This is a weakness. We broke the flag from below. So if we saw this reaction, we need to have a test here, maybe. Let me just put another level to have a bounce and never have a sell-off around the 24.48. So this is a new level we have to watch out for. If we broke the 27.50, I'm gonna enter here around the 24 if we don't have this level. If we hold here, is mean good, is mean a continuation toward the squeeze area. GSPR hit our scan. GSPR, let me just check. Yeah, so we have HLBZ average price around the 22 cent right now. Let me just check. HLBZ have a buying pressure right now. APCX is having a potential reversal, 6% down. We might have a breakout around the $4.29. I'm watching. The GNS, okay, there's a big buying pressure here. Let me see if we have a continuation. GNS, no. Okay, our average is around the 22 cents, so it's good. 29 cents. Let's see if we have a hold up above this level. The 24.48 should be an re-entry again if we got sold off from this level. Boom. Let me put it there. Yeah, it's not good. Let me just sell a bit and re-enter when we hit the support. We have a test right now for the support. We're gonna have a test right now around this level, the 24.48, because we broke the flag. You see, breaking the flag is a weakness. Breaking this flag is a weakness for HLBZ. Some people taking profit now, some people taking profit, so this is normal. And we have a huge buying pressure around our support. So if we close below this support, is mean continuation toward the 24.48 and then going higher. Let's see. We don't want to have any 5-minute candle closing below this support. Now we have a wick, so it's good. And let me lower this level here. We might have a breakout there. Let me just put it, yeah, around this, the 30 cent. So the flag is the first sign of weakness for HLBZ. The flag breaking down is not good. GNS 1% down. Yeah, got rejected. Didn't break the $3.88. However, we have a support now around this AMA. As we said, the $2.78 should be our support if we don't want to have a fill for this gap. So this gap will be a potential reversal for today. If we don't break the $3.88, I'm gonna buy there around this box. I'm watching, already put my alert around the $2.80. HLBZ still holding our support, still holding. However, we have a weakness because we broke this flag. CRBT is pumping, of course, hitting our other support maybe, or other resistance. Oh man, big sell-off. Yeah, we didn't hit our breakout zone 27.98. Anyway, go back to HLBZ. Yeah, kind of gonna break this support, going toward the 24.48 for a test for this descending channel around this area. We're gonna have a reversal. Let me just we're gonna have a test there. This area will be a testing area. If we have a reversal, we're gonna have a continuation up. This is it. Should be the support. That's why we got out from this trade, because the flag, you know, breaking this flag is I don't like. That's why we're breaking even the support and going toward this level. As we said, the 24.48 should be a potential reversal. 24.48. GNS have a struggle. ABCX still. INBS. Okay, this one is doing really great. This one is doing really great. Breaking all the levels, and now we have potential support for this one around the 90 cents, and now $1.14, but did 300%. This is really madness. 300%. We might have this profit taken now around $1.53. So this is a potential profit taken, and support 90 cents. How much we can actually do there? So this is another 30%. So the $1.53 is our ultimate profit taken for this stock. After that, we're gonna have a huge sell-off. After that, if we break this, boom, we're gonna have a huge sell-off to go back down, at least to test the 70 cents. HLBZ buying pressure happening, of course, nearing this area, the 24. We went until the 26. We'll see if we have a potential reversal now. We need to continue to go down, you know, after this break of flag, we need to continue to go down here to have a genuine buying pressure. However, this level of the resistance around the 30 would be official reversal, okay? Because now is not a reversal yet. After this red candle, I'm not entering now. It's kind of risky. GNS have a huge sell-off. INBS, ALLE or ALLR got rejected around the breakout zone, getting test now around our support here. Yeah, potential reversal here around the 33 cents. But this one I think is a bit risky, no? Because we already have a huge drawback. Let me just lower this level there. So this is potential breakout. Boom. Okay, we have potential breakout for VERB. We might have a potential breakout for this one. Not yet. 39, yeah, toward the 45. HLBZ still holding, but as we said, the potential support around the 24.60. Now I'm not entering until we have a break and hold above the 30 cent. Yeah, the 30 cent should be a breakout. Now in this area is risky a bit because we might have a continuation there around the 24. So I already put my alert, so we're gonna go back to it if we hit our alert. GNS, as we said, if we broke the $2.78, we enter around this box because this will be a reversal box. We'll see if we broke right now around the $2.78 is mean continuation there, and then reverse. ABCX, the volume is really light, so we'll watch for this continuation. We might have a huge bump for this stock until the $5.74, potential 40% like last Friday, if we hold above the 3. So this is a swing trade play. INPS going toward the other profit taken as we suggested, the $1.53. We might have a huge rejection there. So watch out. This one might have a huge rejection around this area, the $1.53, because now it's 445%. INPS is the most gainer for today. 445%. We might see 500% for today. INPS. What's going on with this one? Why this pump? There's private placement of securities. We got no, this is the old news. There's something going on. There's something going on with this one. INPS still pumping. 90% or 90 cent is our bottom or support. 53 should be our rejection area. This one is still WISA is not good still, so I would take WISA from the list. POXT, maybe POXT will come back, but this one looking better, I think. VERB, yeah, VERB is pumping. Let me just see. Emulan is pumping as well, 7%. We already opened position last Friday for this one, 28 cents. So the average price for this one we did last Friday around the 28 after we did the alert for it. So Emulan doing good. Aha, so Emulan is getting near the 31 breakout zone, so we have to watch for Emulan now. Emulan, there's a potential break. Let me just put it there. Potential squeeze for Emulan if we clear the 31.57. Support around the 28. So there's someone buying Emulan. We have a gap here today, and we clear our AMA, so there's something going on with Emulan. So we're watching Emulan to break for the 31. HLBZ is coming back to life, going back to test this breakout zone around the 30. We'll see if we're gonna go toward the 30. If we didn't and we got toward the 29 and get rejected, this means we're gonna continue to go down toward the 24 before we're gonna continue to go higher. So as long as we hold above this circle for HLBZ, we're gonna continue to go higher. And potential squeeze for today is the 36.33. This is the potential squeeze area for HLBZ. We might have it in power hour, but would be really better if we got there right now, like after 30 minutes or in the first hour of trading session. So I'm watching for clearing this level, the 30 cent. The 30 cent would be an indication for strength. Otherwise, continue to go down. VERB is pumping. Okay, so we talked about this one in our watch list. We said the breakout around the 39. First profit taking is hit around the 45, going toward the 58 cent. So the 58 is the second profit taken for this one. Already did 100% for this one. So we have mini stock doing crazy pump for today. This one 100%. INPS 400%. Okay, got rejected. A huge rejection coming, as we said, the $1.53, a huge rejection. We might see a huge sell-off now because it already did 500%, this one. Are we gonna have the same scenario as HKD for the last year, 1000% or 2000%? We're gonna have it $1.49, $1.50, $1.53 is the massive rejection area. Let's see if we're gonna break it. Yeah, HLBZ going down. It's going down toward this circle, getting rejected right around our AMA. Here, a massive rejection area. We have a mini test, 1, 2, 3 tests. That's why the price gave up. We're gonna see a fill for this gap around the 24.49. Filling the gap, then continue to go higher. This is it for HLBZ. If we're gonna have a squeeze today and continuation, we need to hold this circle that's gonna be filled today. And as we said, we exit from HLBZ from this flag after we broke it from below. So after we broke here is kind of a weakness. Now we're gonna fill this gap. New low or not? New low. The lowest price is around the 26. Yeah, the 26. 26 cents. Are we gonna have that hold up above the 26? Or if we're gonna break the 26, it means that 24 will be felt. And now the resistance is right there around the 28.50. 28.50. Let's see if we try to make another level for this level. And just take this off. We go live each day around 9 a.m. Eastern time. So if you don't want to miss our live streaming tomorrow, just hit the notification on the like button so you never miss any of my future live streaming. We hunt for the stock that pumping before the market opens. So we do always pre-market update for mini stocks before they pump, like HLBZ. We did the chart analysis for it on our Patreon. We talked about APCX, INBS that pumped almost right now 500%. So we discuss the profit taken around the 70 and the 90, and now hitting the $1.53. So we prepare before the market open on our Patreon. We do watch list, of course. Then we do live streaming around 3 p.m. CET. So always, if you have to prepare before the market open. When the market open, we have to enter, exit, and take our profit. HLBZ going down toward our bottom price, as we said, getting rejected because if you knew, you just came here, we talked about this flag breaking down and we said this is a sign of weakness. That's why we exit from our trade that we opened last time that we talked about HLBZ. When we talked about this chart analysis for HLBZ 3 days ago after our live streaming, because we always do chart analysis update for the stock that's been squeezed in our live streaming, and we discussed this bottom price around the 19-cent reversal, and you see that the price reversed perfectly and now gapped up. So that's why we took our profit there, and then price went down. And guess what's gonna happen now? We're gonna have a test for this gap around the 24.49. Here we're gonna have a reversal, so watch out. This is it. If HLBZ hold this support, we're gonna have a squeeze. We're gonna have a reversal, and the reversal will start around the 28.27, the confirmation that the big whale bought around this bottom. Let's see what's gonna happen. Now going toward the 24. Tesla 137. Tesla hitting our scan. Let's see our Tesla. I think is going higher right now. It's pumping. I think it's pumping. Yeah, it's pumping from our resistance. Doing good. Tesla doing good. Okay, it's pumping. So Tesla have a breakout around the 136. Breakout for Tesla. Confirmed breakout. So Tesla have an important breakout after we held this ascending channel, you see it. So now we're heading toward the first profit taking and potential rejection around the $1.50, and of course the most important level, the 167. You see the reversal. Boom. Hex hit our scan. Hexo. 6% hit our scan. What's going on with this one? A breakout. We have a breakout for Hexo. So yeah, Hexo have a breakout. So there's a potential for this one will go really ballistic around the $1.90. 20% for this one. Yeah, we bought back around our bottom, the $1.28. Accumulated here on Friday, $1.40. Now we have a breakout around the $1.50. Potential continuation for this box between the $1.90 and the $2. So Hexo is on our scan. Let me just put alert before I forget. I put it near this box. And another one toward this level support. And Tesla, yeah, Tesla doing really good now. Support here, $1.30. Potential for Tesla today, yeah, $150. Yeah, another 9%. Yeah, another 9%. Potential pump. You know why? Because Tesla earning after just 2 days. Tesla earning after just 2 days from now. That's why Tesla is pumping. We have earning packed week. Many stocks have their earning in this week, guys. So that's why we have a huge volatility for many stocks today. Potential profit taken $1.40 first around this level. Yeah. HLBZ going down because we broke our flag. And now is testing our gap. 24 should be hold. 24 should hold. This level of AMA and this area, it should be our support and pulsing area. This is it. This is it for HLBZ. This is it. Otherwise, we're gonna have a sell-off. Watch out for this reversal right now. If there's a potential reversal, it will happen right now. Boom. We're gonna have a test here, then boom, then breakout. Otherwise, we're gonna have a sell-off until the 19 once again. So watch out. See, so this is a confirmation for bullish run for HLBZ. Boom, then continuation up. Otherwise, a sell-off and bearish momentum down. We're gonna fill a huge gap until the 15 cent. I don't like this reaction, okay? I don't like this reaction one bit. Yeah, the 15. Yeah, HLBZ going down toward the circle. Are we gonna have a hold up or sell off? Because now we're gonna test this AMA above the 24. We need to have a wick now. Otherwise, a sell off. Because we got a like a breakout from this flag. As we said in the beginning of the video, a flag or weakness. That's why we sold our position for HLBZ and we already entered here around the 19 cent. That's why always take your profit, okay? Don't just hold and you think that the price will go higher. Now filling the gap, filling their circle. Now we have to have a reversal. What's gonna be? What's gonna be for HLBZ? Okay, today we need to have 150 likes. Come on, guys. We got almost 100 viewers, but just 42 likes. We can do better. Come on, guys. The 100 tribe should aim higher. Horizontal support stronger than diagonal. Okay. Let's go. Now we have some wick forming and now there's some wick forming for HLBZ. Let me just add another GFBR. Oh man, we have a huge sell-off. APCX coming to life. APCX volume is gaining up. APCX $4, 3% down. We might see a comeback for this stock. Still on my list. We might see the $5.40 for today. This stock might have the $5.40. I'm watching ACBX for gaining back, coming from red to green. Red to green. Okay. HLBZ, green candle forming around our circle. There's someone buying. There's someone buying HLBZ. I'm watching. We got some stock hit our scan. Okay, GFBR breaking the support is not good. Tesla is pumping. Tesla officially pumping. 139, going toward the 140. Hexo is pumping as well, 159. So we have two stocks is pumping. Two stocks. Let's see Tesla. Yeah, Tesla is easy trade. Tesla is easy trade. $4 or 4% today. Let's take everything off. Yeah, see guys, we have green candle forming now above our MA. As we said here, we should have a reversal. That's it. Otherwise, a sell-off. As we said, this is it for HLBZ. Should have a reversal right now. Yeah. A reversal bound to happen right now. Let's see how much from here. Almost 5%. Okay, it's pumping. $1.58. Wow, so this one got rejected around the $1.50 something, then now is about to break the $1.53. 500%. This is crazy. This is madness. This stock is doing 480%, but the volume is light for this one, you know. So I'm watching, and it's kind of risky to get in on this one now. It's overextended. GNS is holding our support. Triple bottom now around the $2.78. Triple bottom. Technically, this is the strongest support to hold for GNS. HLBZ, red to green, is holding our last bottom for HLBZ to confirm a bullish momentum. The last bottom, I'm just saying guys, the last bottom. I don't want to be bearish here, but this is it. If we broke this, I don't like the trade. This means the short is in control, and we're gonna have a reversal from this bullish trend. VERB. Okay, so this one went until the profit taking the 46. I think we talk about this in our pre-market watch list, yeah? Yeah, we talked about this in our pre-market watch list. Oh man, selling pressure for Ethereum, breaking the support, going down heavily. Oh man, we almost have a breakout around the 1,600. Oh man, a lot of sell-off now for crypto. Someone's selling crypto heavily now. What's going on with HLBZ? Is still holding. As we said, VERB hit two profit taken. We already discussed this stock in our watch list today. Let me just check. VERB, yeah, was the last stock on our watch list for today. And we did this video just before the market opened because, as we said, this stock is really pretty volatile. That's why we have to do the update before the market opened to have the precise entry and exit. So we said the entry should be around the 39. Yeah, and support here, you see, the support is 28 and the breakout zone here around the 39 toward the 45 profit taken, and the other one 58 level, you see. So we hit the 58 and we got rejected. You see here, clear rejection exactly around our profit taken, the second one and the first one. And here the breakout, 39. So how much we did here? Boom. Yeah, almost 40% for this one. Yeah, great trade. And as we said, this is the bottom to hold for this stock to continue to go higher, 28 cents. So this was on our watch list for today, VERB, the last stock. And we did the other stock that did 500%. We had two profit taken for this as well. AAPCX, this is a swing trade play. That's why we said that would take time because it's low volume. GNS, HLBZ didn't break our breakout zone. That's why we didn't enter. However, for HLBZ, we exit from the trade that we did last Friday when we bought around the 19, and we exit before this flag breakout. As we said, when the market opened, this is a sign of weakness. And now HLBZ is going back to life. As we said, this circle, it should be the bottom. And now we actually reverse perfectly from our bottom. Great, great bounce, guys. Great, great bounce. HLBZ coming back, red to green, guys. Yes, pumping from this circle, as we said it perfectly, filling the gap, going back from this flag, and the price went higher. So what's the game plan now? The game plan, we're gonna have a test here. This is it. If we get rejected here, it means the price will continue to go down. If we broke this level of AMA, a squeeze will start. So what's gonna be? This is it here. The 28, 27 will be the first signal for strength and squeeze. Still, we're not confirmed yet. Potential rejection here around our AMA. APCX coming back 2% down from 9% down when the market opened. Now it's 2%. We might see a green in just few hours. Maybe we see 10% or 20% for this stock toward the $5. HLBZ coming back red to green. MULN doing all right. As we said, the 31 will be breakout. Hexo going back down. I don't like it. The volume is light. That's why we don't take this trade, because the volume is light. You see, when you have light volume, there is manipulation. And even if we broke any level, we can't hold it, you see. So let me just, yeah, maybe we'll put it here and put another alert because we got sell off now. Tesla doing good. Let me just put it around the $1.40, take it off from our list. MULN, take it out from our list because we still didn't have a break. We need to have a break around the 31 for having a really good trade here, 9%. So take it off. Boxed is still not go for me. Okay, for Box, I don't like it, you know. I don't like it after... we don't have a clear breakout here. We don't have, maybe, but I don't like the chart. VERB, we already took 2 profit for this one. IMPS took, okay, a rejection happened. A rejection. We're gonna have a sell-off now. Come on, go down. We need the stock to go down because it's already 445, man. It's overextended for my opinion. I can't enter for those stock. Even if I get free money, I will never actually trade this one. Okay, we have almost over 100 viewers, guys. We have over 100 viewers, but just less likes. We just got 66 likes. Come on. Come on, we can actually make it 100 likes compared to 100 viewers. Come on, guys. It's easy to do. This is challenge for today is 150 likes. Let's go. Yeah, so INPS, we might have a rejection now. We might have a rejection at the moment because it's overextended, like we said. Potential support should be around the $1. Let's see. Yeah, the $1 should be a support. Yeah, $1.05. Yeah, now rejection. Come on, go down. $1.53 is it, man. $1.53 is it's the ultimate profit taking, and short sellers will get in right now. So we're gonna have a huge sell-off for this stock right now. Huge sell-off will happen after this red candle. We should actually gravitate down toward the $1.17, $1.05 to accumulate once again. Now is overextended. Let's see a huge selling pressure now. Let's see. Come on, go down for potential entry for this one. Yeah. Still holding. HLBZ bounced from our bottom as we discussed it in our live streaming that we did on 3:15 p.m. CET. As we said, after we broke this flag, if you just came here, when the market opened, we did this flag and we saw a sign of weakness. That's why we sold here. Then the price reversed from our bottom as we suggest around the 24 cent. Precisely around the 24. I think went around the 23.59. But yeah, we didn't hold even 1 minute candle below. So now the price getting rejected again. As we said, here is a rejection area. So as we said, we not having clear bullish trend or another explosion unless we break the 28.27. Elite ARBK is moving, but we didn't get any notification yet. GNS, oh man, it's bounce. Oh man, a perfect bounce from the bottom, $2.78. Let's see, 23% up. 23% up. Oh man, today is really volatile day. So GNS coming back from red to green, GNS. So we might have a breakout now for GNS. But I don't like the breakout if it happened now because we already have a huge pump from down. So we might have a rejection again around the $3.88. We used a huge fuel from down. You see here? We have a huge bounce from GNS. As we said, the $2.78 triple bottom, and now we reverse. The same reaction as for HLBZ. HLBZ is coming. There's a breakout about to happen right now from our bottom. HLBZ is about to break. Okay, this one is done. VRB is done. Already took 2 profit taking for this one. INBS is a bit overextended. This one and that one. HLBZ is about to break. HLBZ. Great reversal actually. Great reversal. 13%. Now the breakout zone should be the 36.33. Another rejection, testing this area, the 28, as we said, 28.27 is the rejection area, resistant. That's why we put the orange line here and our alert around this level. There's someone selling heavily right now for HLBZ, 28.27. So yeah, we have two stocks on our watch list at the moment. Both of them are heavily shorted and heavily pumped. But HLBZ is still 159 worth of volume. It's better than GNS. Welcome everyone. What a day, what a day, what a start of the trading session for today. Yeah, Ahmed, as we said, the bounce and the really perfect entry, it was around the 24. As we said, we're gonna have a reversal here, perfect entry for HLBZ. Now the other entry that we are gonna have a breakout here around the 28.27. There's a huge test now. There's a huge test. There's someone selling. We might have a breakout here around this level. Yeah, this last candle was almost 400k worth of volume. We need at least have a million or 1 million. Will be a really great breakout, you know. So volume is a king, and the trading is like water for the or oxygen for the stock, you know. So if we have a great volume for the candle, we're gonna have a huge breakout without any rejection. Now, still, we did almost 360k in the last 5-minute candle. We need 500 or 700 at least. For this one is 158. We got just 2 minutes left for this 5-minute candle to close. So we don't have enough volume to break, you know. We need at least 500 or 600 for this candle, and we just got 2 minutes left. That's why we don't have a potential break now. Let's see if we got someone buy in the last minute. You know, would be a great breakout. GNS is coming back. But still, the volume is a bit light. But a great bounce from our bottom, you know, the $2.78. As we said, triple bottom, and the price reversed. HLBZ still struggling. Huge accumulation below our resistance level, the 28.27. You see this accumulation area? So there's a potential for squeeze and breakout. If we're still holding above the 26.27, here should be the support and smaller picture, and here the breakout. Let's see. A huge selling pressure, of course, because this is the resistance. And in the 5-minute candle, yeah, we didn't close. Now we just have few seconds for this 5-minute candle to close. Yeah, now it's closed. 5-minute candles closed. Red, closed red. Oh man, I don't like this. You see, a rejection around this resistance. As we said, it's not good. It's not confirmation, guys. We need to break the 28.7. We don't have enough volume for this 5-minute candle. That's why we got boom, selling pressure. And we need here at least 500. Here we did just 200k. And now confirmed sell-off. And not sell-off, but rejection around our resistance. So this was a really good trade. We just sold here, bought back here, and sell again here. So if you just calculate from this to there, you can short 20%. You enter again for a buy 20%, then you sell again. So you see, like if you just, when you enter and you exit and you short and you buy, you always can make money. However, if you new trader, you get confused. So I don't suggest to buy and short at the same time, because you're gonna lose a lot of money just by tricking your emotion. Because when you be like bullish on a stock or bearish, there's different psychology. Okay, you think it's simple. You sell any stock or buy any stock. You just buy and sell. But when you try to do it like one-on-one, it's different, because there's a psychology in play. Buying is not like selling. So if you want to buy, just focus on buying. If you want to sell, just focus on selling until you have the experience enough to mix the two at the same time. $86 likes. Come on, we're getting near the 100 likes, guys. We have over 100 viewers and we just get 86. 150 likes for today. Are we gonna do it or not? This will be a good challenge for today. Last time we did 120 and today we're gonna do 150. Come on, guys, we can do it. 150 likes for today. We can actually make it even 1,000 likes if each one who watching just if you walk outside and you just say, okay, like for any person, just go on YouTube and just like this guy, just random guy you see outside, and just take his phone, put my name on YouTube and just like, from his cell phone. It would be really funny and awkward at the same time. And the reason, guys, when we said, like many YouTubers say, like and subscribe and things like this, for me, I don't bother about like getting likes or, I'm just want to make this live streaming to spread as wide as possible to help many traders like as possible, So YouTube algorithm works by seeing if the video have more likes in order to make it visible for more people. It means like the AI think that this video have more value for people, and this will show for another people. That's why I'm trying to say for many viewers to hit the like, because a lot of people forget. At the same time, to make our live streaming to spread as wide as possible and help as much as possible, So if you find it helpful, help the other guy around you, because life is about helping each other, It's not just taking yourself, okay, you find something good, you just keep it to yourself. You just share, Life is about sharing. Stevie, COSM, of course. HKD, CI, DNA. We have many people ask about the GNS, HLBZ. dots, DIT. Okay, guys. Okay. So HLBZ got rejected around the 28.27, confirmed resistant, but back around our support, the 24.49, around the circle. We did it in the pre-market, and we said this sign of weakness. When the market opened, we broke this flag. That's why we sold there, and the price went there to reverse. Now is not confirmed a breakout yet until we hold and break the 28.27. So now is kind of critical area, because you know what's gonna happen now. We got bought back here, good reaction. Then we reverse, got rejected, not good reaction, and going back, testing this area and breaking this circle is mean the short won the game. HLBZ will have a sell-off. So watch out. This is it. Now this sell-off or this 2 or 3 red candle forming is normal. If we're still holding at least above the 24 and doing higher lows, we're gonna have the break the next time. Otherwise, a sell-off. Now we have a red candle forming. As we said, this candle, it was low volume candle. That's why we don't have any breakout for the 28. I don't like it. That's why we said there's a potential rejection. Oh man. So we need to hold this circle. This is the last resort for HLBZ to continue toward the 36 squeeze area for today, and this week to go toward the 43 and the 52 profit taking. The ultimate profit taking for HLBZ, not the $1, but the 86.22 level. However, it's a bit far, and here we talk about the realistic price action, day trading, and maybe even swing trading for a few days. That's why we just put the first level of rejection in today and tomorrow. We have a huge buying pressure happening again. Let me see if we have the volume. It changed now. Okay, last candle. No, the volume is getting lower actually. The volume is getting lower. I don't like this. Let's see. Yeah, now is tight area, you know. This triangle is really critical for HLBZ. This is it. This is it, guys. GNS going down again. As we said, $3.88 is our resistance. It's not clear entry. We bounce from our bottom. ABCX still have a struggle. AMBS got rejected around our profit taking. That's why we accumulating again. VERB going down. We already took 2 profit for this one. Exactly. GNS halted. Of course it's halted, because usually when a stock halt because GNS is halted. No, it's not halted. For me, it's still traded. Let me just check. No, it's not halted for me. It's still moving. Steven, COSM. Let me just check. A lot of you ask about COSM. $5.11. Let's see. APCX getting rejected. Low volume, 100K. Yeah, as we said, we might have a test for the $3 for this one. because we already have a huge bump last Friday. Someone taking profit for this one. We need to hold the $3.59 to have a reversal. Otherwise, the $3.13 should be the reversal area. So for COSM, 6% down. Last time we discussed COSM, last Friday, we said the 666 is the devil number, which is the rejection area. Let me just lower it down. $6.40. Yeah, and now we need to break the $5.40, and the support is around this level, the $4.18. Let me just use one of our Lux Algo Premium indicator on the COSM. Let me just take this off. Yeah, for COSM is the $4.18 is our current support right at the moment. And the breakout zone is $6.41. However, for today, we need to clear the $5.38. Already put my alert, so I will do updates once we break this level. HLBZ is coming back. This is good. We're still holding and doing higher lows. GNS still holding. We have maybe another support to hold if we don't want to have a break for this support, which is the $3. So if we broke this level, this means a sell-off next time. If we held the $3.10, we're gonna break the $3.88. Yeah, let me just watch HLBZ for a potential breakout at the moment. Potential breakout for HLBZ at the moment, 28.27 would be a breakout. We have to be ready. Let's go in the 10-second time frame. Yeah, we have a huge volume now. Let's see if we're gonna break the 28.27. $28.27 is potential breakout zone. GSUN. HLBZ is about to break. GSUN. No, 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 no. Volume is pretty light. I will not trade this one. No, 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 no. It's not kind of... Yeah, kind of around the support area, reversal area, the $1.57, but the volume is light. Yeah, we are about to break for HLBZ 2827. 2827. First level to test is the 3194. First test to level after we break this level. Yeah, another 10%, 12% before we're gonna have another rejection. We'll see. Let me just lower it down. 28.40 cents. If you just came here the first time, as we said, we do live streaming each day around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time to watch the stock that have potential to squeeze, like HLBZ that did 50%. The other one, INBS 400%, we already hunted in our pre-market update on our Patreon, because we do always short analysis. You see here for HLBZ, when we hunted 3 days ago around this bottom, the 19 cents, and we already took our profit for HLBZ around this flag, and we enter again around this circle, and there's a potential for a breakout now around the 28.27. So hit the notification and the like button so you never miss any of my future live streaming that we're gonna do daily from now on for this year. Last year we did live streaming on Friday in Power Hour, but many of you asked if we could actually do more live streaming. So this year things have to change. Live streaming each day before the market open. And I think this year will be a pretty volatile one. See with me here we have many stocks that on Reddit that memes, they are meme stock, like GNS, this number 1. We have APRNs, number 2, BBBY, Moulin, Exella, GameStop, and many more. So those stocks has been squeezing last 2 years. Then the last year we have a huge sell-off and short interest open for them. Now is coming back to life. HKD pumped so many times, it stopped counting. For HKD is still around our support. I think the $10 now is 11. So HKD is we need to have a different strategy, you know, because this stock after it pump is kind of too late to enter. So we have to watch out for a really important level to enter and exit pretty quickly, because last time we pumped, you see, above our support at $10, got rejected around the 13 and went down. It didn't even stay a few minutes. So we have to be strategic. And again, red candle forming 5 minutes just below the resistance. So we might have accumulation in this triangle. This is good, okay? If we have this accumulation, is good. There's potential for a huge squeeze. The longer that we stay here, the more volatile and like strong the breakout will be. So this will be good. Let's see if we accumulate. Then we have, boom, the breakout. The volume is increasing from 100 to now is almost 200 million for HLBZ. HLBZ, one of the stock that been pumping from the bottom that we discussed before in the beginning of this year, when we said the 12 cent is the bottom. We accumulated here and then we pumped. In 19th of January, we did 200%. Then the price went down and now coming back to life. Are we gonna have another 200%? Oh man, let me just check if we broke this level. Yeah, we could actually have another 200% around the 86. There's another potential 200%. Let's see. Patience is a key. I think patience is a key for everything, you know. If you want to start a business, if you want to have kids, if you want to marry another person, you have to really be patient and take all the negative and the positive, you know, because nobody is perfect, you know, and there's no perfect job, there's no perfect person, there's no perfect life. Even if you have millions, there's something you still need. And man, it's kind of everything is a struggle, you know. Life is a struggle. When you know this kind of philosophy, everything will be easy. Because you never expect more, you know. You don't have high expectation. So for trading, let's say if you traded HLBZ, okay, and you bought right around this moment, around the 29, you think that the price will pump. Now you'll be angry because you say, my luck is bad, because if you bought last Friday, it would have been 30% up right now. Like this kind of thinking, like wishing you go back, or why this happened to me, like you play the victim mentality, is game over. Trading is not you. It's not for you, okay? You always have to take any trade just for today. And then go back to learn from your mistake, not dwell on your mistake and you see, I wish if I corrected. No, you can't like go back and reverse if you lost money, like 100K, 1 million, whatever. If you don't go back in time to learn, not to dwell on your problem or the mistake, you never learn. So it's going back in time and seeing what you did wrong is good. But it's kind of paradox, you know. If you go back in time, it's kind of, you have to watch out closely for your emotion. Because if you go back in time, you think like, I wish I bought HLBZ like in the beginning of this year. I would have been 200%, you know. I would have be a millionaire if I bought AMC call options 2 years ago, you know, or Tesla. So this kind of mentality, man, I've been in this situation before. I always say, I wish I did this, I wish I did that, but it never works, you know. Never works. It make the situation worse, I think. Anyway, HLBZ 33% and still pumping. There's a potential for a breakout. If you just came here, we're watching for the 28-27 breakout zone. What does mean breakout zone and what does mean orange line? Because many of you tell me, Jesus, where we enter, where we exit, and try to make it simpler as possible by just watching the chart. So the orange line, as you see here, is a breakout zone. So if we clear it, we're gonna have a pump. Where? Of course, toward the orange line. The orange line is our profit taking. The red line is the support and the reversal area. As we said in the pre-market, or when the market opened, when we got shorted here from this flag, we said we're gonna have a reversal around this circle. And we actually entered the circle and we didn't even stay a few minutes and the price reversed. So the orange line, the red line is the support and the reversal area. And the second, the other one, you see other orange, like red line is mean other support if we broke the above support. So if you have any question, let me know. If you don't know how it works, like how you enter and how you exit, and make it really simple, just from the color, you know. George, great question about the SPY. Great question. The 400 is the resistance. Okay. For the SPY is not just 400 because we already tested the 400. If I told you 400 And you told me, okay, we saw the 400. It's not seeing the 400. It's a level. So we have to see the chart from the descending channel and we clear and hold above it. It's not just seeing the 400. Okay, so the 400, and we need to hold above our current level of support. I'm gonna show you from the chart is better and clear, more clear to see the breakout for the SPY. Let me just check HLBZ. So we're gonna watch the SPY right now and go back to HLBZ. I'm not afraid that this trade will, I'm gonna miss it because I already have a trap from above, from the breakout zone, from above and from below. So even if we leave it, we're gonna have a notification or alert here on TradingView. So let me just go back and check the SPY because George asked about if the 400 is the breakout zone. Oh man, now 393.50. 393.50. You see, George, last time we have the breakout even around the 411 and we got rejected as well. So this time is looking good actually. Yeah, looking good because we bought back from the 300. We never went back down around the 355 and we're still doing higher lows. So if we just take this circle, take this, we already have our fifth rejection. Is this will be the sixth rejection? Will be crazy. Yeah, we'll put it there. So George, we need to break clearly 1 day candle above this channel. You see, this channel always rejection. We never actually have any candle close above. Last time we have it, we have a wick. Now we need this green candle to close above this descending channel. This will be the first signal for strength for the SPY and the whole market. Yeah, red candle or green candle like this, closing here. Let me just try to draw it. Try to draw a green candle. Yeah, like this. Boom, big green candle, close like this. Boom. We need the reaction like this. You see, we need to have a green candle like this, breaking this trend, and then another green candle forming here. Boom. This will be a really great. Two candle breaking this descending channel. It means this is the first signal for strength, not the signal for reversal and bullish momentum for the market. We said the 430. 430. I put it on 430. As we said, the 430 would be the bullish momentum, not now, still. But we're getting close. Okay, so HLBZ, as we said, we have accumulation phase at the moment. Accumulation phase. INBS getting shorted. As we said, this is the ultimate profit taking around the $1.53. We're gonna have a selling pressure right now after we break this kind of flag toward the $1.05 and this area. We're gonna have a reversal now. So as we said, this is overextended, so I'm waiting for this reversal here. I will do short analysis for this on our Patreon, so stay tuned for that. This is the ultimate price gainer for this year. INPS, we might see another pump, so this one will be a really great bounce here. So we watch out for this reversal because we got rejected around our profit taking. Still holding, this is good. Okay, HLBZ is about to break. Now or never. Now or never. What's gonna happen? Oh man, APCX is still struggling, but the volume is picking up. The volume is picking up. It's still holding. As we said, should be kind of the support. This one is pretty volatile. The support should be the $3.13. This area, in big picture, that's why we said this is a swing trade. The $3.13 should be our support to confirm that we're still in bullish momentum and going toward the $5.47. However, the best case scenario to confirm a faster squeeze for today and tomorrow is holding this dotted line. You see here, the $3.60. If we held it, is mean we're gonna see a faster squeeze for this stock toward the $5.47 first profit taking after we clear this breakout zone for today. Oh, HLBZ breaking, HLBZ breaking, HLBZ breaking our level finally. HLBZ breaking. Let me just go here, see if we can actually make a small trade at the moment. Okay, we have a breakout. Let me just put this here. We have kind of breakout. Now we're gonna have a test toward the 31. We need to hold this breakout around this EMA. We have a huge struggle last time around this area, so now we have a continuation. We're gonna have a continuation for the price. Let me see, the first maybe rejection around this area. If we don't have a rejection around below the 30 cent is really good. So we're gonna continue toward the 32. Breakout, breakout, breakout. Let's go. Let's see if we didn't have any rejection around this area, because here there's a potential rejection around the 30, below the 30 cent. If we don't have a rejection, boom, we're gonna have a continuation toward the 31.94. Let's see, this is good, this is good. HLBZ looking good. Let me just do this. Okay, still continue to go higher. Okay, 28, 29.50. Okay, 29.52. Come on, 29.50, 29 cents. We have a bit of struggle. Come on, should be printing right now, 29, 23. So we have a struggle now. I don't like it right now. It should be really fast. It should be really fast right now, right? Come on. We should test the 30 cent right now. Yeah, go. 29.30. Yeah, 29.50. This is a really important test right now. Are we gonna have a rejection or continuation? Come on. This is really critical area. Without a break. Oh man, you see? A rejection. Red candle below our resistance, the 29.50. As we said, this is an important level to break without rejection. 1 minute candle, no closing. So now if we have a red candle 1 minute, would be bad. But now it's good. Buying pressure. Buying pressure. We don't want to have any red candle. Green, we need just green now. Green means strength. Green means strength. Now is a huge resistance. As we said here, a huge resistance. We need to break it without any rejection. What's gonna be? Huge selling again. Break. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Okay. Just a test. Yeah, there's a struggle a bit. Yeah. Yeah, test and rejection. Typical. Yeah. 29.50. Normal. Yeah, normal. Yeah. Huge selling, man. Oh man. Oh yeah, we have Mullen. Mullen is about to break. We already have alert, so no, it's not about to break. No. We're still far. The 31 is going down actually. HLBZ is pumping. HLBZ have a struggle toward our resistance, as we said, the 29.52. 29.52 rejection. Rejection. However, we're still holding the 28.27, so this is current support. We need to hold it to continue to go higher. Let's see. This is resistant now. We need to hold. Great hunt, Luis. Great hunt. Mullen, still, I'm watching Mullen, guys. Mullen will pump if we have a breakout. If we have a breakout from this level, the 31.50, we're still holding. You see, we have a really nice bounce from this AMA. So someone buying Mullen, but I don't know, the float is kind of light. You see here we have barcoding. The price didn't have really good price action like HLBZ. You see, price action of HLBZ is doing good. HLBZ is bouncing. As we said, the 28.27 should be the potential support. And the breakout zone again around the 29.50. We have a rejection. As we said, this is potential rejection. Small rejection, not a huge rejection. But it's really important to break. This area is really important to break to go toward the 31.94 first profit taken. After that, the 36.33. Oh man, this one is about to pump once again. INPS is about to break. Is about to break down or up. A huge flag formed. There's a huge pump will happen for this one as well. Oh man. GNS, HLBZ have a struggle around 29.52. Stevie, Tesla doing really great. As we said, is going toward the 140. Now is 5%. Tesla have earnings just in 2 days. That's why it's doing really great. $1.40 is the first profit taken. Support $1.36. Projection price is around the $1.50. So Tesla have a breakout today. It was a really good reaction. We bought back around the 100. So the bottom is the 100 and continue to go higher. So the price action we might have for Tesla is until the 167. This is really important level to test where we're gonna meet this level. Our AMA will coil down on us. So this one would be acting as a resistance and we're gonna actually test it and continue to go down maybe. So we have to watch out for this level. 167. Now we're doing higher lows and continue to go higher. Reversal before the earnings. Looking good. The earnings is on Wednesday after hours, 25th of January. The estimate is 24 billion for the revenue. Earnings is 1.12. Last earning for Tesla was we have deficit in revenue. However, the earnings is really pretty nice, 5%. But it's not like the other before the split. Before the split, we have the earnings is 25% suppressed. So yeah, before the split, we have really great earning. We'll see if we got great earning this year or not. This is what changed everything for Tesla actually. HLBZ is about to break again. Yeah, HLBZ breaking 29.50. After we break here, we're gonna have another pump for HLBZ coming up. Another pump coming up. Yes, another pump. Accumulated above our support. We still have, yeah, we need 1 minute candle to close here. 30 second. Let's see if we have a green candle close here or a wick. 20 second. 25 second. Pumping. Let's see. Just 10 second. Let's see. Yeah. We have a breakout. Okay, let's go. First, second profit taking, or first profit taking should be around the 31 and 32. Here we're gonna have a potential rejection around this area. Potential rejection there. Let me go this more. Okay, we have a great breakout here. Let's see if we have a continuation now. Continuation for the price. Yeah, a pump. HLBZ going toward the first profit taken. 32, I think, around 32. We have a clear breakout from this level, the 28.27, as we said. 6%, 7%. Yeah, potential 12%. And the squeeze area is around the 36, and the 43 is the profit taken after that. Always take profit on the way. Profit is profit, guys. Never be greedy. GNS is coming back from the dead, holding above the $3.10 breakout, $3.88. We're gonna do short update analysis. Wait for that. After this live streaming, we're gonna do short analysis update for HLBZ on our Patreon, like the last time we did 3 days ago after our live streaming for this bottom. So because if we have a squeeze, we might have another bottom and reversal area. If you miss any trade for HLBZ, watch out, because there's always opportunity in the market to buy another dip for any stock that pumped even 100%, 200%. Don't say I missed the trade. No, there's always opportunity to enter with the market maker to buy and the price value. So as we said, if we have a continuation and breakout, we have to update our chart in our Patreon, where we're gonna do after we close our live streaming for today. So stay tuned for that for our members on Patreon. The price is still pumping toward profit taken, as we said, the 32 around this area. This area should be another rejection area, the 32, 31. So we should take our profit there. Then we could actually re-enter around the 36 for potential breakout toward the 43. Let's see. Yeah, it's still pumping. Tesla. Yeah, Tesla is hitting the first profit taking, kind of. No, $1.140. VERB is pumping once again. From the bottom, 14%. Again, sold off INBS, as we said. Flag going back down toward our box, as we said. $1.53 was the bottom, the ultimate price for INBS. We talked about this when the market opened, and we said we should take our profit around the 70. Yeah, I think around the 70, yeah, and the 90. And the price continued to go higher. After it hit the $1.50, we said you should get out because this is overextension and overbought. And that's why the price went down and from this flag, and we set it either up or down and confirmed down. And now we're gonna have a filling for this gap here and potential reversal. Really great trade. HLBZ have selling pressure. HLBZ have selling pressure before the profit taken. Let's see. Yeah, and smaller picture, but in the 5-minute candle is still holding. Let's put another alert around this area. Yeah, 31.94. Another breakout and level of resistance. INBS going back down. Okay, perfect. Plus the like button and the way in. Today the goal is 150 likes. We already did 102 likes. So it's doable, guys. Let's go. Let's do it. The challenge is getting near. HKD is pumping. We have someone said HKD is pumping. Let me just check it out if it's right. No, man, it's not pumping, man. It's dumping down. It's sleeping. MUN still. GNS is pumping, yeah. GNS is pumping. GNS is about to squeeze right now. This is good. HLBZ is still holding. Let me just update this level. Yeah, perfect. We're still holding above the 28.27, so this is normal rejection. We need to hold again above this level to continue to go higher. GNS is about to break right now. We're gonna have a breakout right now. Wow. Wow, Kala, it's been a while last time we talked about it because we don't have any reaction for Kala actually lately. We don't have any reaction, yeah, for Kala. So tricky for Kala is we have let me just take it. Yeah, the 14, yeah, another support is still dumping down. So the 14 should be the support, kind of, yeah. We need to hold the 14 at least. I already have alert around the 25, so I'm not watching this one until we break this level. HLBZ still kind of struggling. Yeah, the support is here and the breakout or the first resistance around the 31.90. GNS is about to break. So yeah, we're gonna do short analysis update for GNS and HLBZ, like what when we did it last Friday. HLBZ and GNS. You see, GNS we bought around the $2. We said the 80 is kind of the support we need to hold. And yeah, we did this after the market. We closed our live streaming, so we're gonna do it today. GNS 3 days ago and HLBZ. So we're gonna do update charted analysis for both of them because both of them is about to squeeze. So we're gonna do this update later on after our live streaming on our Patreon. Stay tuned for that. At the moment, yeah, we have almost 2 hours for our live streaming. Let me just check the question from our members here on our YouTube. We got Naeem ask about HLB. Let me just check it for you very quick. Yeah, we already talked about it. HL. It's, I think this one, HELB. No, yeah, HLBZ, I think you meant. George asked about ape. Let me just check ape for George. The price action. Oh, ape is about to break. Oh man, ape is about to break right now and squeeze. We have potential squeeze for ape right now. $1.80, $1.80 and $1.85 potential squeeze. Potential squeeze for ape. We're gonna do chart update as well right now for ape. What else? GNS. We have a breakout for GNS at the moment. GNS breakout. Okay, we have a breakout and sell-off. Yeah. What's gonna be? Yeah, a sell-off. Yeah, a sell-off. Fake out. A fake out. Wow, this one is really crazy. The short is just hiding around the $3.90, man. We hit it and we got rejected. I will put another alert for a potential retest. Oh man. Okay, we'll put it later. Alligator. GNS, we got, okay. AK ask about AA, ALLR. ALLR. Not good, man, not good. Got sold off. It's not good. We need to hold the 27 as a support and above this AMA in order to have a reversal, then a breakout around the 41 to continue to go to the profit taken around the 70 cents. Now we have to watch out for this bottom. If we held it, it means there is a reversal. If we didn't, it means a sell-off. Exactly, elite. Eileen, FUBO. Okay, let me just check. FUBO, we have the $2.38. $2.38, as we said before, is our reversal area. So the $2.38 is the breakout zone for FUBO. We're gonna have a breakout pretty soon. We have a sell-off before. We talked about it before. It's kind of tricky. Oh, HLBZ is breaking the support. It's going down. Let me just check. Okay, now it's really tricky. Another sell-off. Still holding. As we said, we need to hold this ascending line to not have a sell-off. GNS got rejected. APCX is still holding this support and accumulating between the $3.50 and the $4.30. INBS going down to our bucks. VARB is going in back some volatility. You are welcome, AK. How did you know? ATER near the resistance. How did you know, my brother? Let me just check if it's right. Oh man, you're right. $1.53. Yeah, it's really near. Already put my alert, so I will check it when we go back there. Yeah, guys, we are near the 150, our target for today. 150 likes. Come on, we can do it for today. The beginning of the first trading session for this week. George, man, this is really funny. You're gonna make us rich. You're already rich, man. You have to be rich in mind first. Money is kind of coming second hand, you know. If you're rich inside, the money will come. Okay, guys, we got many questions. Sorry, I didn't answer you because I was looking for the chart and try to be focused on the chart and see the updated levels. That's why I didn't have the chance to reply on the question, because right now I'm seeing the question from Naeem and the other members asking about some stocks. Luis asked about ENSC. And I didn't see it because I'm watching the market. So sorry for the beginning of our pre-market and our live streaming. I can't reply on your question because I'm watching the chart. I can't see your question. I don't see the all the question because I'm focused on the chart. Now I'm just taking a bit of time to ask your question, to answer your our members' question first, of course. So Luis asked about ENSC, which is health technology, biotechnology stock, which means is depending on the news. Okay, Luis, this one is still not clear for entry for me. Still in bearish mode for this one. And the volume still light on this one. So the $1.34 will give us a squeeze for ENSC. The other question we got for the CRPT, great ride from the 8 cent to the 28 cent. Great ride, man. Proud of you, one of our elite hunter here on our YouTube membership and on our Patreon. Elite Way. I like your name, brother. You are the elite. Exella and CI moving a bit. Yeah, little bit, but still below our resistance. Naeem asked about GSUN, we already discussed it. HLBZ toward the $1. COSM, CEI. We got many questions about CEI. HLBZ still struggling and holding actually our support. The 28, as we said, this should be a support. GNS got rejected around the $3.88 breakout zone. Let's check CI together. Okay, CI 13%, not bad around the $2, but it's pumping from the depth, from the mother of all depth. $2.11, give or take here, $2.88. So we might have potential trade for CI. Yeah, 34%. Let me just put alert. Thank you for Remind us for CI potential squeeze. Who asked about CI? Yeah, Elite. Thank you, Elite. One of our members here on YouTube 2 months ago, I think. BBY holding, PEGY, ARBK, yeah, INBS on fire. Guys, we are near the 150. Come on, we can do it. We have almost over 104 people watching. So we can actually do 150 likes. Come on, guys. And now 120 likes. Thank you for support this channel. And as everybody knows, if you're new here and you watch our live streaming for the first time, we hunt for the market, so we enter and exit with the technical level. So we don't wish for the price to go to 500 or 600, but we take profit with the market maker and exit before the short seller will come. So realistically, we enter in the day and exit in the same day. This is to make sure to make profit. Whatever the market go down or up, we make some profit. Okay, this is really important. Because in the fundamental way and the big picture, after 6 months, nobody knows what's going to happen to the market. We might have a big meteor hit Earth and we're going to be in the dark ages once again. So don't worry about 6 months, 1 year, and because nobody can actually control what's going to happen. However, we have to watch out for the near future, which is today or tomorrow, because we have more control to see what's going to happen. You know, the wider picture is kind of tricky because a lot of factors come to play, and this has changed everything for our technical. That's why we have to update the technical daily and even by the minute in our Patreon before the market open or during the market when we have a breakout. So if you're new here, 3 p.m. CET each day we do live streaming, or 9 a.m. Eastern time if you live in America, of course. So CI is about to break the $2.11 potential trade for this one, 35%, bumping from the bottom. So thank you, Naeem, for bringing CI for our attention. Mike Roland, one of our member here, asked about BTB. Let me just check. BTB 3%. Okay, we have notification here. Someone asked right now for BBY breakout on our community here on the TradingView. Ask should we wait to go down and buy again? Great question for BBY actually. Let me just put BBY because this is a really great question from our member here on TradingView community. It's kind of sometimes hard for me to follow because we have many community here on TradingView community. We have Discord, Patreon, Twitter. So we have to focus more, you know, because when we have so many community, it's really too hard to give value information, you know. So that's why we have more time we spend for chart analysis video on Patreon, you know. So that's why we don't put a lot of time for Discord, and many of you are trading on like using Discord more. That's why we should try to focus on Discord a bit, because some people never used Patreon before. And I think Discord is better in one way, which is notification, because it's really easy to check from the phone, you know. So we're gonna do like more update on Discord, because now we are more focused on Patreon, because there's a video update and there's more interaction, because we could actually I'm used to use Patreon better, it's easier to use for me. However, in the time being, we have to watch out for two stocks. It's been requested from us. First off, we got BTB, and the second one is BBY. BBY is down 9% and going toward the $2.85. So the question is, should we buy now or we wait? Tesla is hitting our first profit taking, the $1.40. So for this one, I will say we have to wait because we broke the $3.20. There's potential to go toward the $2.85 first, and the bottom for BBY, if we continue to go down and we have bad news about bankruptcy, is in this box, the $2.23, the $2.40. BTB is kind of doing good, kind of. We might have a breakout for this one pretty soon, right now maybe even. Thank you again for the guy who just asked about BTB, because we have already a test here around the Friday 20 of June. We have a test from the market maker. The price went down, accumulated, then boom, we're gonna have a huge pump for this stock after we clear. We might have 70%, but no, I'm gonna take a profit there around the $2.95. Damn. Okay, looking really good. CI, okay, CI is breaking. CI is breaking. Let's put it there. CI is about to break actually. $2.14. Yeah. FUBO. HLBZ is still holding our support, fighting reversal now. Okay, HLBZ red to green again, looking good. Yes guys, we already 120 likes. We missed 30 likes for our live streaming. The new goal for us, 150 likes. Come on, we can do it. 150 likes for our Hunter channel. Let's go. If you're new here, as we said, we do live streaming each day around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time to hunt for the stock that have potential to squeeze, like HLBZ, GNS, the other stock on our list like MULN will have a pump. CI is potential pump right now, 18%. So if you want or if you don't want to miss those kind of jump in the next time, just stay tuned for our watch list or watch list live streaming before the market open each day. So hit the like and share our live streaming. If you have someone or if you know your friend who trading, just share our live streaming with him. Share. Life is about sharing and loving. Okay, $2.15 CI. We have a breakout. We got price target $2.35 coming up. Reblocks, he said, come on, give us a break. We can actually give you vote 3 times. You can, man. Come on. There's always a way. As I said, you just take your phone from your brother or your father or whatever, any guy next to you, and just go on YouTube and just press the like over there. There's always a way, man. Things outside the box, you know? Yeah. Oh man, again, test and rejection. Don't have 5-minute candle closing. Let's see. GNS go back down. INBS. Yeah, have a buying pressure above the box. Okay. So guys, as we said, we have to wrap up our live streaming. We're gonna do a video for today around 8 p.m. CET for talking about the market, HLBZ, the price target, and the other stock on our watch list for tomorrow. And don't forget tomorrow as well, the same time, 3 p.m. CET. For our live streaming, we're gonna do a pre-market watch list before the market open. Then we're gonna trade the market, and after that, we're gonna answer the question for our members and hunters here on YouTube. So thank you for watching, and of course, don't forget we need 150 likes for today live streaming. So we are actually getting near. We're just missing, I think 25. Yeah, 25 likes for our live streaming. I think it's doable after we finish our live streaming. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update. And for our members, don't forget, on Bitcoin, we're gonna do a short analysis update for HLBZ and GNS and the other stock that have potential to squeeze, like CEI, because it's pumping 18%. We're gonna do a shorted update for entry and exit and everything you want to know for those stocks that have potential to squeeze for today market. Maybe we're gonna have this move in power hour. So stay tuned for this short analysis update on our Bitcoin, and see you in the next video.